SCORP Pro Basic tutorial. Home button. Click the Home button to lock the touchscreen. Click again to unlock. While viewing submenus, click Home button to return to home page. Shutter button. Half press the shutter button to focus. Long press to take photos. Single tap the shutter button to start recording. Tap again to stop recording. Mode button. Click Follow Mode icon to enter selection menu. Click the Mode button, switch Pan Follow PF and Lock Mode in turn. Switch to Pan and Tilt Follow PTF by triple-click the Mode button. Click the Mode button again to return to Lock Mode or Pan Follow mode. The Gimbal Mode button and Handle Mode button have the same function. The handle still works when detached. Long press the Mode button to start Motion Sensing mode. In the Motion Sensing mode, keep your arm still. Rotate the handle through wrist twist motion. Camera will follow the rotation of handle. Joystick. Use the joystick to control the movements of the tilt and pan axis. When the handle is detached, the joystick and the motion sensing mode can't be used simultaneously. Thank you for watching the video. If you have other questions, please feel free to send an email to support@feiyutech.com.